Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide followers on Instagram from your friends without a private account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on Instagram and you'd prefer no one else to be able to see your followers, you don't want to switch it to a private account, or you don't want to unfriend that person, I'll walk you through the entire process. Now, if you open up the Instagram app here and tap on your profile at the bottom right, you'll be able to see I have 249 followers. Now that I have a public account, anyone would be able to go in here and see that entire list. I do have an option to switch over to a private account, but even if I have a private account, if they already follow me and are friends on Instagram, then they still will be able to see that. Now, your really only option to be able to hide that follower list from a specific person is to tap on their profile here. It doesn't really matter which one. And then you're going to tap on the three dots at the very top right. Then you're going to choose Restrict. Essentially, by restricting someone, this doesn't necessarily mean that you're not friends anymore. They can still follow you, and you can still follow them, but they won't be able to see all of your followers count. Basically, they can see some of your content, but they won't really be able to message you. Essentially, it sort of blocks them, but it doesn't fully go through the entire process of blocking them. It just limits their interactions and ability to see your account. So after you go through that process, that specific person would not be able to see that information. Of course, if you wanted to do this for a bunch of people, then you'd need to go through that entire list and restrict a bunch of different friends. So that's basically how you can hide followers on Instagram from your friends without a private account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.